In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Kit.com form. First, head to your Kit.com dashboard. Once you're in, we'll build everything from one place so you don't need any external tools. Look toward the main navigation and open the Grow section. This is where Kit groups the features that help you collect leads and audience data. Inside Grow, select landing pages and forms. That area lists anything you've already created and gives you a clean starting point for new assets. To begin fresh, click Create New. You'll see options for different asset types. Choose form. This ensures we're building a form component rather than a full landing page, which keeps things lightweight and easy to reuse. Next, pick the display format that matches how you want the form to appear. Inline places the form directly within a page section. Modal opens as a centered pop-up for higher visibility. Sideline slides in from the edge of the screen and feels a bit subtler. A sticky bar anchors to the top or bottom, staying visible as visitors scroll. Choose the format that best fits your site's layout and the level of attention you want to command. With the format set, browse the templates. Templates give you a polished starting design with sensible spacing, typography, and field layouts. When comparing, think about the number of fields you truly need. Short forms typically convert better, so start with essentials like name and email, then expand only if there's a clear benefit. When you find one that fits, click Choose. You can always adjust styling and fields in the editor. Now edit your form. Update the headline to be clear and benefit-driven, refine the body text, and tailor the call to action so it finishes the sentence started by your headline. Add, remove, or reorder fields to match your goal. Align colors and fonts with your brand, and preview on both desktop and mobile for readability. If available, set the success message or thank you state so people know what happens next. Keep your copy concise and include a brief privacy note if you ask for personal details. When everything looks right, click Save and Publish. Take a quick preview pass to confirm spacing, validation, and button behavior. Once published, your form is live in the format you selected, and you can return at any time to iterate, republish, and improve results. That's all it takes to set up a Kit.com form from start to finish.